Hi, I'm Madam Pamita, and this is Madam Pamita's Parlor of Wonders. You can find me online at parlorofwonders.com. Well, in this episode, we're going to be talking about the tarot card in the Major Arcana that corresponds to the sun sign of Leo. And here we have it. It's the Strength card. Well, it's not too hard to figure out why this card corresponds to Leo. If you know anything about astrology, you know that Leo's symbol is the lion. And in the Strength card, we have this image of a beautiful woman who is gently closing a lion's mouth. Other than the lion being in the image, what does this have to do with the sun sign of Leo? Well, we have a lot of images here that belong to Leo besides the lion. Here we have this lovely woman. She's very gently and very lovingly closing the lion's mouth. She is the one in charge. And Leos love to be leaders. Leadership is one of the hallmark qualities of the sign of Leo. We also see the card name, Strength card. The Strength card is about having fortitude, courage, strength. There's a lovely quality also with the woman who is very, as I said, lovingly and gently closing that lion's mouth. It's almost as if it's her pet and she's saying, no, you have to be good, be a good lion. And this is the quality that we see in Leo. With leadership, they're gentle, they're generous, they're kind, but they do definitely like to be the ones that are in charge, the ones that are paid attention to, and getting all of the sort of affirmation and appreciation. So what else do we see in the Strength card that corresponds to Leo? Well, we have the courage. You know, this woman is, closing a lion's mouth. This is another aspect of Leo, that they're not fearful. They're forceful. They're ready to jump into something. They're not shy, shrinking violets. They face challenges and they face them head on. So when you see this card, the Strength card, show up in a reading, remember the qualities of Leo and how it relates to the Strength card. If you're a Leo and the card shows up for you, this is your special card, and it talks about the attributes that you have naturally. If you are wanting to bring more leadership qualities, more attention paid to you, more strength and more courage, then you can use the Strength card as a talisman or as a meditation point for bringing more of those Leo qualities into your own life, either through magic or through meditation and focus. So there you have it. There's our correspondence. The Strength card goes with the sign of Leo. And I'm so happy to share this information about the tarot with you. I'm Madam Pamita, and this is Madam Pamita's Parlor of Wonders. You can find me online at parlorofwonders.com. Be sure to head over there where you'll find a ton of great resources for learning the tarot, great resources for getting a tarot reading, learning about magic, and so much more. So please head over there, check it out, and be sure to subscribe by pressing the subscribe button below so that you are informed right away when a new video comes out. Thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.